Hi everyone, welcome to I Speak Art with NJ. Today we're going to use our lines and shapes to create some beautiful doodle patterns that you can use to create doodle art with anytime that and anywhere that you are. So today we're going to be using our materials, a nice piece of paper to work on, and a black pen. Usually works pretty well. I am going to be making use of these shapes and lines: a circle, a dot, a square, triangle, teardrop shape, the straight line, diagonal line, horizontal line, a curvy arch, a curved line, and of course curved lines can come in various shapes. So let's get started. The first pattern we're going to do is going to be basic straight lines. We are going to use a diagonal. You can decide how wide apart they are, so some can be closer than others, depending on the look that you want. And as you work, you can practice and see what happens with different styles. Once you've done your diagonal lines, you're going to revisit each line and add random dots to create your pattern. You can decide how far apart they are. Perhaps you'd like to try a line with some really close dots. You get a slightly different effect. It's looking a little bit like beads. And then if you group the lines with the same patterns, you will get a different effect to that area where we started. It's totally up to you. Play with your lines and your dots and see what you get from that. One we're going to try is just using the basic circle pattern. Make circles. Have some at the marginal points. It's not too hard to do, but the beautiful patterns that start forming is really worth it. Then you're going to go back. You're going to go around each one again. Remember to stop if you've got some that hang off the page. And if you do touch the edge of your paper, just lift up your hand and keep going. If you've been around twice, you're now going to go around 3 times. And you'll start noticing that the circles will start touching, and that's what we're looking for in this design. Keep going round and round.